Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I'm going to do a quick little blowout painting. I want to do maybe a little bit of a fire effect. We'll see if it turns out. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas with black acrylic already on there. Just going to give it a quick torch, get the bubbles out, and we'll get started here. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And for everybody that keeps coming back and watching, thank you so much. It means the world to me and it doesn't go unnoticed. Okay, let's start with some reds. I've got two different reds. This one's just a regular primary red. And I think I'm going to go like this. And then I've got a fire red. I think I'm going to go on top of this red as well. Then I've got my chrome orange. And let's add some yellow in there as well. How about some gold? Let's do some gold. Oops, just got dry paint in my painting. I'll have to pull that out quickly. Give me 2 secs here. Dry gold flake. There we go. Fix that. I probably would have ended up blowing it out anyways, but that's okay. I think I'm going to need a little bit more red. And a little bit more orange. I haven't done a fire painting yet, so I'm just going with my gut here. Okay. Now I'm going to take my little air compressor, cordless air compressor, and give it a blow and see what we get. Now this is the fun part where you get to move all the paint around and make a big mess. Trying not to wear the paint too much. Now I'm also using a brand new camera right now, early birthday present for me, and I'm hoping that the volume is going to be good and the footage is going to be better than I've had in the past. And you know what I realized? I left my AC going. I'm just going to turn it off quickly. Let's see if that helps with the volume. Makes any difference or not? We'll see. This is all the test run with my new camera. It's a happy birthday to me. A little early, but that's okay. And if anybody watching does paint pours and you're curious about this little gadget I have in my hand, this was $60 on Amazon, and it, in Canada, mind you, probably be cheaper in the States, but it was one of the best purchases I've done since I started doing all of my arts and crafts stuff. Now this is turning out fabulous. Now really I'm just moving a little bit of the red and the golds a little more, fill this area up. Now my brother is big on having a fire when he's out kayaking and stuff like that, on the beach of course. So I'm betting he's going to lay claim to this when he sees it. So Kevin, if you're watching, you better message me. Put a comment in the video if you're loving this. Okay. I'm going to give it another quick little blow right in here. And then I'm going to give it a torch. There we go. Now, let me give it a torch and see what happens with the cell action. Get all the bubbles out. That turned out awesome. Okay, I'm going to turn it so you can see it. I don't know if I'm going to lift it or not. I'll lift it a little bit. Hope I don't pour too much of the paint off because it just turned out fabulous. Look at that. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy with that. The gold is awesome too. Can't wait to see this dry. Alright everybody, huge success for the fire painting. Thanks very much for joining me. And again, I hope my audio is good. It's a new camera, just testing things out. Enjoy. Please come back and visit me again. If you hit the bell, which is right beside the subscribe button, you will get notified every time I upload a new video. I try and do it daily, sometimes a couple times a week because I'm busy doing things with my grandkids. But other than that, I'm always uploading videos. Thanks everyone.